Hello everyone, my name is David Richard from Weekly Tools. Welcome back to our YouTube channel where we share helpful DIY tips and tricks for car enthusiasts. Today, we'll be addressing a common concern, the malfunction indicator lamp, also known as the check engine light. Don't worry if it suddenly appears on your dashboard. We've got you covered. In this video, we'll guide you through the step-by-step process of fixing the malfunction indicator lamp and getting your car back on track. Introduction to the malfunction indicator lamp. Before we begin, let's quickly discuss what the malfunction indicator lamp is and why it illuminates. The malfunction indicator lamp, or MIL, is an indicator light on your dashboard that alerts you to potential issues with your vehicle's engine or emission system. It's essential not to ignore this warning, as it could signify anything from a loose gas cap to a more serious mechanical problem. Gathering tools and materials. To fix the malfunction indicator lamp, you'll need a few basic tools and materials. Here's what you'll need. 2. Safety gloves. It's always a good idea to protect your hands while working under the hood. 3. Pen and paper. You'll need these to write down any error codes for further reference. 4. Vehicle service manual. This will provide you with specific information about your car's make and model. Locating the OBD-I port. The next step is locating the OBD-I port, where you'll connect the scanner. In most vehicles, the port is located underneath the dashboard on the driver's side. It's typically rectangular in shape and has 16 pins. Once you've found it, plug in the OBD-I scanner. Scanning for error codes. With the scanner connected, turn on the ignition without starting the engine. Navigate through the scanner's menu to find the Read Codes or Scan for Errors option. Initiate the scanning process, and the scanner will communicate with your car's onboard computer to retrieve any error codes. Interpreting error codes. Once the scanner completes the scan, it will display one or more error codes on its screen. Write down these codes for future reference. You can consult your vehicle service manual or search online for the specific meaning of each code. This will help you identify the underlying issue causing the malfunction indicator lamp to illuminate. Troubleshooting and fixing the issue. Based on the error codes, you can now troubleshoot and fix the problem. Some common causes include a faulty oxygen sensor, a loose gas cap, or a malfunctioning catalytic converter. Consult your vehicle service manual or conduct further research to determine the appropriate steps to resolve the issue. Fixing the issue. Example: loose gas cap. As an example, if the error code indicates a loose gas cap, simply locate the cap, remove it, and then reinstall it securely. After fixing the issue, you'll need to clear the error codes using the scanner. This will turn off the malfunction indicator lamp. Make sure the problem has been resolved before clearing the codes. Finally, it's crucial to address the underlying issue causing the malfunction indicator lamp to illuminate. If you're unsure about the problem or lack the necessary skills, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic. However, with some basic knowledge and the right tools, you can often fix the issue yourself. That's it for this video on fixing the malfunction indicator lamp. We hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover next. Drive safely, and we'll see you in the next video.